You may be feeling anxious at this time. Continued anxiety may cause negative thoughts and emotions to have an impact on your well-being. However, you may be behind closed doors at the moment, but the doors to your imagination are never closed. So I invite you to take this time to stop, to pause, and allow your mind to create a special place for you to relax in. This is a visualization that will take you for a walk along a sandy beach. During the visualization, there are pauses for a few minutes that will enable you to relax a little deeper in your own time. It may help with your relaxation if you are able to play some quiet background music. If anything feels uncomfortable, you can stop this visualization at any time. So find yourself a comfortable position in a chair or on your bed. Ensure you are well supported with cushions and pillows and that you are warm enough. Perhaps loosen any tight or restrictive clothing. And take a moment to settle down, knowing that at any time you can adjust your position. You can close your eyes if you want to, or allow your gaze to rest on something in the room to allow your eyes to relax. We will begin shortly by taking a slow breath in through your nose, not too deep, to hold for a moment before releasing it slowly through your mouth. So, breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Whilst you breathe, imagine you are breathing in feelings of peace, and you are breathing out your tension. So again, breathe in peace, hold, and breathe out the tension. And one last time, breathe in peace, hold, and breathe out the tension. Allow your breath now to find its own natural rhythm. This is your time to relax, to recharge and renew your thoughts and energies. If any distracting thoughts pop into your mind, just acknowledge them and then refocus on your breathing. Imagine you are walking along a soft, sandy path that will lead you to the beach. It is a sunny day and you can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, and a gentle, salty breeze blows softly off the ocean. As you walk closer to the beach, you are aware of the smell of the sea air, the sound of the waves rolling up onto the shore, and you hear the gulls as they call to one another in the distance. And you've arrived at your beach. The sand is soft and white, and you take off your shoes to walk barefoot through the silky sand. Feel the warm grains of sand as they gently massage your bare feet as you walk. You are feeling so calm and relaxed. The warmth of the sun, the gentle breeze, the sound of the waves, they all make you feel so calm and relaxed as you take a leisurely stroll along your beach. Notice now the sand becoming damp and firm beneath your feet as you walk closer to the water's edge. Allow the cool water to wash over your feet as you walk. It feels refreshing and pleasant. Continue your walk along your beach, enjoying the sights and the sounds around you. Here on your beach, you feel so calm and you are in control. Allow your breath to come and go like the ocean waves. Breathing in peace and breathing out tension. Breathing in peace, breathing out tension. This is your beach. This is your special place that you can return to any time that you choose to relax, to recharge and renew. Spend a few more moments on your beach. It is almost time to return to your day, to bring yourself back into your room, but as you do so, try to keep with you the feelings of peace and relaxation. So start now to become aware of the chair beneath you, of the sound of my voice, and perhaps start to wriggle your hands and your feet to waken your muscles. And then when you're ready, open your eyes and give yourselves a moment to adjust. Thank you for taking part in this visualization. I hope you have enjoyed your walk on the beach.